G'day, I'm Brad. This is the 7th video in a series where I take you around and I show you what's available in real estate in our local area. Please bear in mind that I'm not affiliated with any of these companies and I'm not trying to sell property. I'm just showing you what is available and what your money can buy you in Thailand.
Don't need to be no rich hand. Everyone just needs a hand to hold on to.
Welcome to Notting Hill Sukhumvit Praksa, a brand new condo development which spans 34 stories. And offered for sale are 4 different size condos with varying floor plans. The complex also has a separate parking garage, a pool, a gym and a meeting room. When Tara and I first visited, the complex was still under construction, with the first tenants scheduled to move in on August 1. Landscaping and the final stages of construction were still taking place as we video. The pool area has areas for casual seating, outdoor shower, and a toilet block is very handy. Although I'm no expert when it comes to gyms, it seemed to be well laid out with professional equipment and it overlooked the pool. The complex itself is only 650 metres from the brand new BTS, 700 metres from the Robinson Shopping Centre and likewise 700 metres from the Big C Superstore. Both of these shopping centres or malls include cinemas and some great little restaurants. And I'm told that the train ride to Asok BTS station will only take 30 minutes. Time for us to have a sit down and chat to one of the salespeople. So they don't have a display room, a showroom?
Display room, yeah.
They not have?
They don't have ไม่มีเลยใช่ไหมคะห้องตัวอย่างนี่คือให้ไปดูห้องจริงเลยใช่ไหม
เราเป็นห้องแต่งด้วยแล้วก็ห้องจริงๆด้วยห้องที่แบบไม่แถมอะค่ะ
ห้องที่แบบไม่แหนไม่ใช่ว่านั่นแหละห้องที่ต้องแบ่งเป็นห้องนี้แหละ
จริงๆห้องเดียวใช่ไหมคะ
ห้องจริงห้องแต่ห้อง spare room ก็คือห้องที่เขาแต่งโชว์อ่ะ
มีทั้งห้องสแตนจริง
เอามีแบบเซตอัพ
Crazy.
มีคนมาอยู่บ้างยังคะน้องหนูอยาก
ๆจะเข้าได้ช่วงสิงหาคม
so they open so you can stay here on the August this month
The first condo that we walk around is actually the smallest on offer at 23.5 square metres. It has 1 bedroom and 1 parking space. We've been very fortunate in that we've been able to show you a vacant condo and also the display version. The price for this size condo ranges between 1.45 million baht and 1.9 million baht. The costs will vary depending on what side of the building you're on. So if you have a district view or a city view, and also how high up you are. So if you're on the top floor, that's obviously going to be the most expensive. Regardless of what size condo you purchase, the monthly maintenance fee or body corporate fee will be 35 baht per square metre. If you're not looking to buy, you're only looking to rent, we're told that rent for a property this size will start at 6,500 baht per month. And I'll also point out that the parking space is not an allocated spot. So you won't be parking in the same spot each time. It's essentially a first in, best dressed scenario. The size and layout of the condo is fairly typical for Bangkok, with limited kitchen space and also limited storage space. The building is currently the tallest in the area, so the views are quite extensive. However, there is a vacant block next door which is currently being used as a market. The second and final condo that we could view is considerably larger at 35 square metres. They're marketing the condo as a 1-bedroom plus, so you can either have a second bedroom, but you'll only be able to fit a single bed in there, or you can have the second room as a study. The range for the purchase price of this condo is between 2.8 million and 3.9 million baht. And again, the condo's location in the building will determine the price. Initially, the kitchen in this condo appeared bigger than the previous condo, but on closer inspection, the cabinets are exactly the same size. And by the way, trains are not currently stopping at the BTS Praksa, but I have seen trains actually practicing running through there. And we have been promised that the trains will stop by the end of 2018, so it's not too far away. Both bedrooms come fitted with mirrored built-in wardrobes, and it's of great benefit to have the second bedroom. Although it is a smaller bedroom, the extra space is very much warranted. Many people may find that even having the second bedroom for a study or just for extra storage is extremely beneficial. And on a personal note, purchasing or renting on the city side of the building would certainly be my preference. And as with the kitchen, the dimensions of the bathroom in this condo appear to be the same as they were in the smaller condo. It's also important to mention that in the bathroom there's no shower screen, and there's also no provision existing for hot water, the electrics for hot water. And given that the building is only a few short kilometres from the ocean, you'll always get a nice sea breeze. Thanks for watching. You're so Jai. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, click like, and if you loved it, subscribe. Take care.
You said her home so far from here. She have to work hard to get here. She live in Bangkok, Prakan. I had to catch the bus to here. 4 steps.
How's her English?
What?
Her English.
ภาษาอังกฤษโอเคไหมคุยไหม
ได้อยู่ค่ะ โอเค
He's 65?
Got 78 years old.
No, 70. She's just 28.
65 is good age.
Because she only 28. She only 28.
All right.
65 too old.
All right, 58.
เดี๋ยว 58 58 โอเคไหม
มีแต่รุ่นนี้ใช่ไหม
แต่รุ่นนี้
Okay, what age?
What age?
Maximum age.
Maximum age ประมาณ
Not over 45.
Not all 45
Sorry, most of my subscribers, they cut you out.